So, sir, where are we on this petition? Because I sent it off to the relevant personnel and I haven't received a response.
Don't concern yourself too much about the petition. I've put that on the back burner for the time being. I will be taking some time off from this position and working from a different perspective, a different angle. Sort of like a bird's eye view, if you understand. Hence the meeting today. I want to familiarize you with the person I'll be deputizing to work in my stead, but you'll be reporting to me nonetheless. She'll be here shortly.
It's a her. Girl power.
What's up? Man, I tell you, it's been a rough week. What heap of kind of unusual things happening, you know. And I miss you, as always. But I tell you something. This heat, boy. You lucky you now get this heat, you know, because where you gone, you know, everything is cool and airy and, yeah. But, boy, I tell you, I may wait for some rain, to the matter of fact. But, you know it go. Because, you know, me always, you know, we love the rain and thing. But, funny story. Trust me, you know, me I always share some funny stories. This funny going like, so I'm in the supermarket, right? And for a few days I get a feeling somebody's following me. I'm in the supermarket with a co-worker of mine who, I will tell you about the co-worker, but let me finish this supermarket story. So, somebody will follow me, you know? I pay it no mind. I drive a couple days, somebody will follow me. So, I decide, as the policeman I am, that I go and set a little trap. And I set a trap. You know that guy already. I catch exactly who it was. I get 3 guesses. And no, it's not the high school teacher where you think they have a crush on me. Nope. And no, it's not that little boy who did text it by me after. No. It's your mother. Yep. Return from dead. No, not from the dead, but your mother. Let me tell you something. I was surprised to see her, you know. Would you believe all this time she gone? I don't hear nothing from her.
I strongly believe in woman empowerment. I believe that a woman's touch is important and a woman's thinking is something that all industries require. One of my most admired leader was Portia Simpson-Miller. She has brought so much to the table and has lifted so many women above their basic needs, housekeeping and the wife. I strongly believe that women should take the reins and lead us into the future.
That's quite impressive, sir. I'm actually seeing it before in my life.
You only know Marcus in the office. This is Marcus on the casual side. So just believe me when I tell you. I've never ever advocated for a male assistant. Even when they're more qualified, I think a woman's touch is important. Here she is now.
Dr. Maxine Grant? You didn't tell me.
Not a word. And you know the funny thing? 3 years now, I don't see her. 3 years now, she don't come and look for you. No. me know. As usual. Oh, daddy, forgive. No.